Executive Director and Founder of Disabled Athlete Sports Association. We've been in existence 25 years now. So we provide sports to individuals with physical disabilities. I'm a physical therapist, so I was working in a clinical setting with brand new spinal cord injuries, and it was really hard for me with a young kid that came in and used to be a super jock, and now they're like, what is my world going to be?
I'm the hockey director for all the CarShield hockey clubs that we run. This is our first year getting involved with DASA to help them introduce the sport to Paralympic future athletes. We have a couple Olympic gold medalists that currently play for the St. Louis team. That's going to be a CarShield hockey sled hockey group, and very excited to be part of that and hopefully help them build future athletes.
What I've seen from CarShield so far is they were very in tune to what I was asking, and they wanted to know about the athlete, not just, do you want us to write you a check, but tell us about it, tell us stories. And then I knew right then that they were really going to be family.
I have a son, Grant, he's 14. He's been involved in sled hockey for, I think this is his 7th year. The biggest thing it means to me as a parent is I get to see Grant be a regular kid. We've got Olympians out here regularly, and they work with him a lot. They kind of give him something to dream about.
Can't wait to be a larger part of it. These people at DASA know exactly what they're doing, and I always call them with 100 questions. What do you want me to do? And they got it all figured out. I would encourage everybody to get out here and try hockey events that they put on. I think it's fabulous.
A lot of us parents are very excited because we feel like there's an incredible group of kids here that's not seen or helped, and we feel like CarShield might be an organization that has a good heart and that wants to make a difference. My advice to my son would be just keep working hard and good things will happen, and he knows we're extremely proud of him, and we just love watching him play the game. We love watching all these guys play the game. It's the greatest game in the world.